In this video, I will show you three things. First of all, how to open Excel blank workbook. The second thing is how to open built-in template in Excel. And the third thing is how to close Excel. So first of all, we will go to the search box and here we will write Excel, Excel, and this one will appear. So from here, we will click on open. This window will appear. If you have installed Excel for the first time, then uh, this window will appear. This one. So as we want to open a blank workbook, so we will click on this blank workbook. So we can see that we have successfully opened our blank workbook. The next thing is how to close this workbook. So there are two methods of closing this workbook. First of all, we can go to this cross, and we will click on this cross, and that window has disappeared. And the next method is we will go to this file, and from here we will just press this close, and the workbook has closed. Now we will have to close this Excel as well. So we will click on this close. The third thing is how to open built-in Excel templates. So for this, we have to open our Excel again, and we click on Excel. So we have these templates available. If this window pop up in front of you, then we will have to go to more templates, and from here we can choose the template which we want. These are built-in templates, and if you have internet access, then you can search for more templates from here as well. You just click here, and there the template uh, which you want to use, you will search it here. Let's suppose I want this template, so I will click on blue balance sheet, and then in some time this window will appear, and we will click on create. So this is our built-in template. Whenever we make any changes here, uh, the template results will be the results will be changed. Let's suppose uh, we give there some number, and we press enter, so we can see that the balance result is changed. And there's another method to open a template. If we have already opened a blank sheet or any other template, then and you want to open another template or some other template, then we will go to this file, and from here we will go to new, and you can see that these are the templates again. If you want another template like this one, so we'll click on this and then click on create. So this is our desired template. So this is from today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.